Hello traders, in this video we're taking a look at the Smart Scalper Pro for MT4 and MT5. It's a popular commercial robot that's been around for a while, and on the surface it looks like one of those clean professional scalping EAs with long backtests and plenty of marketing material. But as always on this channel, we'll go past the screenshots, talk about what's actually going on under the hood and how the dev is positioning this EA, and then I'll show you what I found in my own backtest and give you a realistic verdict. If you like this kind of no nonsense breakdown, make sure you watch until the end because the details may really matter with this type of strategy. Alright, before we get into it, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so let's start by walking through what the developer actually says on the official page. So you can see, let me just expand this. Okay, so the Smart Scalper Pro is presented as a fully automated scalping robot for the major FX pairs, or mainly GBPUSD, but also EUR USD, USD CHF, USD JPY, and USD CAD. You can see the supported currency pairs over here. All right, so the idea, according to the description, is pretty simple. It looks for a strong price impulse, waits for a reasonable correction, then jumps back into the direction of that move. In plain English, it's not a grid, it's not martingale. It's a single entry scalper trying to catch short term continuation after a pullback. The dev emphasizes that the logic is simple and pure. They talk about a new ATR-based algorithm and an improved exit logic, but they don't pretend it's AI or anything magical. ATR here is basically a volatility tool. It's used to size or adjust the stop loss and take profits, and to help the EA adapt to different volatility regimes. So it doesn't use the same tiny TP in dead Asian sessions and wild New York opens. So you've got an impulse filter, a correction filter, and ATR helping to scale things to the current market noise. All right, another interesting point we can see on the page is that they say it doesn't really matter what charts time frame you attach it to, even though they suggest that you can put it on M1 or M15 and it will behave the same way because the real logic is running on its own internal time frames. That usually means it's reading price data for multiple periods internally. For example, a higher time frame structure plus a lower time frame trigger while executing trades tick by tick. So exit wise, the dev talks about reasonable TP and stop loss levels and new improved highly effective exit logic. This is typical scalper language. What they are really saying is they are using fixed or ATR based TPs and SLs, maybe with some trailing or break even rules, trying to lock in small wins and keep losses contained when the move fails. There's no mention of adding extra positions, no mention of recovering losses with bigger lots. So the official line is one trade at a time. Um, okay, one trade at a time, define stop and define targets. All right, so let's take a look at some of the developers' tests here. The screenshots we have on the website. Okay, so you can see it says you have a button for enabling slash disabling the automated trading. When it lights green, the trading is enabled. When it lights red, the trading is disabled. You also have a button for enabling the news filter. When it lights green, the news filter is enabled, and when it's red, the news filter is disabled. All right, let's go to the next screenshot. You can see the strategy tester reports by the developer. So for an initial deposit of $1,000, you can see that the total net profits is actually looking like a lot for the initial deposit. Okay, let's see here. We have 30,706,719 dollars. That's actually quite a lot. The profit factor is 1.47, and let's see what other relevant metrics. Okay, so the relative drawdown or the balance drawdown, the equity drawdown, they are not presented here. Can't find them on the page. Okay, here it is. So we have 8.41% for the maximum drawdown. All right, so there we have it. Let's check the next screenshot. Okay, so here we have the equity curve, and it basically looks like a straight 45 degree angle line. So it goes pretty straight up. But does this really work in real time? Does it really match up with back tests? That's what we're going to find out very soon when we put this through my own personal back test to be able to discover if it goes in line with what the developer actually claims. All right, so very quickly, we are going to go to our MT5 charts and run through our own personal backtest. So you can see I use the GBPUSD as is the first recommended pair on the website, as well as the M15 time frame for the period of 1 year from April 1st, 2025 to April 1st, 2026. My initial deposit was $10,000, and for that, we have the following results. Okay, so contrary to what we have on the website, on the developer site, the total net profit was quite small or relatively small. We have just $231 for the whole period. The profit factor was 1.19 and the balance drawdown was 2.29%. So I'll say from this, what's actually on the website is pretty hyped up. I think it's really hyped up considering what we have here relative to what we have on the website. So from our own backtesting, you can see that it's quite different when it comes to the amount of profits. And okay, let's go back to the equity graph so we can see. All right, so as you can see, this is also a bit different, even if it ends in a profit and even if over time it does result in upside relative to the starting position here on the further left. You can see that it's not that straight 45-degree angle line that we have on the website. Instead, there are a lot of upwards and downward movements, there are a lot of zigzag movements, and we have drawdowns here and there, brief moments of dips before it continues its movements, and then we have this pullback down here, even though it's recovered a little bit and still ended in profits. So overall, I would say yes, it can be profitable, especially on good brokers and realistic risks. And yes, it's a single entry scalper with a clear technical idea, but the low drawdown impression is optimistic. In practice, you need to be mentally and financially prepared for sizable drawdowns when conditions turn against the strategy. So it's clear that this is not a set it and forget it safe growth robot. It's a scalper with all the usual scalper caveats: execution sensitivity, periods of chop, and occasional painful losing streaks. All right, so let's go back to the website. Alright, so who the EA is actually for? If you're already familiar with how scalpers behave and you understand that the high win rate isn't free, you're also willing to run it on a good ECM broker with tight spreads and a VPS, then the Smart Scalper Pro can be a tool in your arsenal. If you're a newer trader hoping for a low stress, low drawdown robot that just prints money while you sleep, this is not it and it's not for you. The equity swings may be more than you're comfortable with once your money is on the line. All right, so my realistic verdict is that the Smart Scalper Pro is a fairly straightforward, technically driven scalper. It's not a magic machine, and it's not the worst thing I've ever seen either. In the right hands, with the right broker and disciplined risks, it can grind out returns. But you have to respect the drawdown profile, and you have to accept that live results will mostly or will almost never look as pretty as the promo backtests. Right, if you found this helpful, do me a favor, hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Subscribe if you want more honest reviews of Forex robots and automated strategies without the hype. And in the comments, let me know which EA you want me to review next, or share your own experience if you've already tried Smart Scalper Pro. Finally, don't forget, if you want to play around with an EA without paying upfront, you can download that free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 using the link in the description. It's packed with indicators and candlestick patterns and is a good sandbox to test your ideas before you risk real money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.